Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got this 2016 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon, and as you can see, the casting is by Matchbox. It's part of their moving parts line and it's new for 2025. So let's open it up and see how does it look. So here is the Wrangler out of its box, and as you can see, it's finished in yellow. It's a two-door one, not the four-door one which was launched later. I don't know if four-door was available in 2016. It might be, and if I'm not wrong, it's from the JK series. That's why you see those turn indicators are still in the front, not on the fender. Good details up front. You can see you got detailed headlamp, detailed grille, Jeep badge, and if you look closely, there you go, turn indicators. You can see the space for the fog lamps, but they are not detailed. Also, looks nice to have both the mirrors. Again, good detail. You can see it carries a surfboard up top. Basically, two surfboards actually. Doors open because it's part of moving part lineup. So let me do this. Doors open up. Wheels look nice. They look something like what you will get on a Wrangler. These wheels read Matchbox here. If you look closely, again, nice details on the rear too. You got detailed tail lamp, Jeep print on the number plate. You got the detailed door handles and also the stop lamp. So let's move to the passenger side. Looks almost identical as the driver side, the only difference being the fuel filler cap. Now these surfboards, these can be removed, so these come out. Now let's see how the interior looks. So you can see it has got 4 seats, and also if you see there's some stuff in the rear seat, you can see there are boxes sitting there. I assume it's for surfing, I guess. Something that I found really weird, if you look at the front seat, it seems like it's been cut short compared to the passenger seat, the driver's seat. I don't know if that was intentional or no idea. Do you get the normal roll cage that you get in the Jeep? Again, the detail on the inside of the door, that's good. If you see, you can see the door handle and stuff on the inside. It's again a good detail to be added. But this is always gonna be this is always gonna look weird. The half cut seat on the driver's side. Apart from that, let's see if there's anything else. This is how it looks from the bottom, and I think that's all for the details. So overall it looks like a nice casting and will sit quite well with other Jeeps from Matchbox. I haven't compared it with the other Jeeps, but I'm sure we're gonna do some pictures to see the size difference. I don't know if it mentions any scale here, because some of the Jeeps from Matchbox, their scale is mentioned as 55 or close to that, but not on this one. Overall, I think it's a nice casting. It's new for 2025 and looks good. And I've seen pictures of new moving part castings which again look really good, and I'm waiting to get them. So yeah, keep checking out. I'll post videos of the new one as I get them. Well, those are my thoughts on this one. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.